Hi everyone, Eric Reynolds with your Fox 10 News Now update. A growing number of states are easing or completely lifting certain COVID-19 restrictions. Mississippi becoming the latest to allow all businesses to open at full capacity. And masks are no longer required in public in Mississippi. Now it joins states like Iowa and Montana, which for weeks have relaxed their COVID restrictions. But most of the attention is turning to Texas, the largest state to abandon its COVID precautions. Now starting next week, Governor Greg Abbott will allow most businesses to reopen at full capacity, including bars and restaurants, and lifting the statewide mask mandate. Well, some are welcoming this news, while others say that they are worried that it's too soon to relax the restrictions.
We still need to wear masks. We still need to socially distance and wash hands frequently. We're not out of the woods yet.
I don't think that these masks actually do anything for us.
Government officials in the states making the biggest moves to return to normalcy are citing a rapid increase in vaccinations and a strong decline in COVID-related hospitalizations and deaths as the main reasons behind their decisions.
I think it's a big mistake. Look, I hope everybody's realized by now, these masks make a difference.
President Joe Biden among those voicing concerns about the sweeping COVID-19 rollbacks by Governor Greg Abbott and Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves. The president and other health leaders say that they are worried about another potential wave if we let our guard down too soon. As of now, 35 states still have mask mandates. Health officials say that masks help prevent the COVID-19 transmission, but now they're asking, has the policy succeeded? And that's not as clear. Well, let's look at numbers on daily infections from the COVID tracking project. Since the mask order took effect in July, cases have gone down, then up, and then back down again. The trend has been similar in Florida and Georgia, which did not have mandates. Both states have fewer infections per capita, though, than Alabama. Some conservatives argue that states with even more restrictive policies than masks have not outperformed those that have taken a lighter approach.
Florida versus New York is a great example. They've had very loose restrictions, if any. They've had no mask mandate, and all that to say, Florida's numbers have trended the same as New York for the most part.
Dr. Sarah Nafziger of the University of Alabama at Birmingham School of Medicine says that people should continue to wear masks even if the governor says that they don't have to. She says that she's seen the effectiveness of masks firsthand.
On our campus and in our healthcare system long before anyone in the state, before there was a statewide mandate. And what we saw when we did that was a tremendous drop in COVID infections and COVID transmission within the hospital and the healthcare setting.
The director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Dr. Rochelle Walensky, says that the CDC does not think that this is the time to ease all restrictions. Well, meantime, we are hearing from other state leaders. Lieutenant Governor Will Ainsworth once again calling on the governor to immediately lift the restrictions. He says that since its implementation last July, he has held the position on that. The mandate is, quote, an overstep that infringes upon the property rights of business owners and the ability of individuals to make their own health decisions. Ainsworth also says that until the state reaches adequate vaccination levels, he is encouraging everyone to continue to social distance and practice good hygiene and make smart decisions that affect your health and those around you.
I'm meteorologist Michael White with your Fox 10 Storm Track report. Well, we definitely don't have any fog out there, and we certainly don't have any rain. Conditions are not only dry on the radar, but they are completely clear. Our sky clear. You're going to see nothing but stars in the sky early this morning, and when the sun rises, it's going to be nothing but sunshine across the Gulf Coast today. Just sensational looking weather for the entire Gulf Coast. High pressure built itself in yesterday, and that's the reason why we saw the cloud coverage squander away, and now Now, all we're going to be dealing with is a lighter north wind compared to yesterday. Tons of sun in the sky. No issues at all, but clouds are going to start to increase as we head in toward late tonight and into Friday. Our next chance of rain will come Friday night, but our sky tomorrow, instead of being sunny, will be mostly cloudy. And you'll notice those clouds tracking in from the north, and they'll blow through here this evening. But during the daytime hours, we're expected to remain sunny with the weather quiet. Your weather headlines for this morning. A cold start with temperatures slipping into the upper 30s. And then today we're just expecting tons of sun with a high of about 70 degrees. You want a perfect weather day? Today is going to be it. Then as we look ahead, showers come in Friday night. Let's go through the latest Fox 10 Futurecast and notice that we stay completely clear during the daytime hours. However, once we get to tonight, the clouds are going to track in from the northwest. They're going to maneuver to the southeast. You'll start to see that happen after midnight, and between midnight and 4 a.m., the sky ends up going cloudy. Here is how the next 7 days are going to stack up. The high today near 70. We'll bottom back out in the low 40s tonight. Shower chances scattered for Friday night, 30%. Dry and sunny for the weekend with highs in the mid to upper 60s, mornings in the mid to low 40s, and then turning much warmer as we head in toward next week with highs returning to the 70s. We'll be talking much more about your weather throughout the day right here on Fox 10 News Now.